Here's a quick video to show you how to connect PEX piping to your old copper piping in your house using SharkBite fittings. It's really simple to do. All the tools that I'm using here in this video are down here in the description. Click those links and it'll get right to you. First step, before you can put these pipes into the fitting, you're going to need to prepare each side. So for the PEX pipe, we're going to use this right here. This comes from SharkBite. I'll put it in and I'm going to spin this and you'll see at the top, it's going to take just a little bit off of the PEX. That's going to prepare it to go into this fitting. The next thing I want to do is use this again and mark on the pipe how far this comes down. That ensures that when I put this into the fitting here, I got to go to that mark to make it watertight. Next, we simply take it and we're going to push down until we get to that line. Just like that. This is watertight on the PEX. All right, now that our PEX is in and it's ready, we're going to do the same thing over here to the copper pipe. Just a little different. We're going to go in here, clean out the inside, make sure there's no burrs in there. Just like that. Works if you rotate it. I do it clockwise. Comes right out just like that. Same thing on the outside. We use this right here. Prepare the outside of this. Just like that. You can see it's a little shinier than the rest of it. It's ready to go. Now we're going to use this again. Place it over the top. And make our mark. That shows me how far it needs to go into the fitting to be watertight. We'll take it and press it in. Just like that. And now we have our copper to PEX. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, give it a thumbs up.